de abrantie na mohu wo no wo video mu ene ni nsem hunu a o keka no enipa numu no obia ka na sem ebia se enipa numu obia mpo nimu ne da obia nhia ne da but when you social media
enti weekly Akyem UTV eja kwabena the trend no ebi ana ese anya no weekly mu no nana body amponim oboda de the third akwa na yesi Akyem Asuom no ye kronti yi na ye hwa le tu akonya no o se obeka kwase ade o se obeka kwase ade bi na comedian so journalist no ave blàst say there be Penyah nkasasa Penyah de o so kasa nyansem o kasa me se nyansa wo tirimu adwene da wo tirimu a wo dwene emfa wo ti hunu ne sa nkasa o wa be koma dwen a kire me ma nkire mu no a kire wa dwen ama me e wo comment section ayi Penyah block media mess wa say ni die mo o be like video no that one subscribe button snap click notification icon of latest update number kire wa dwen de ama me e wo comment section be so ba so na share for so nya bia hwe hu ne ka kire say Job 32:9 a kire say sebe enye de wanyini bebre ene chese wo ni mu nyansa enye de wanyini bebre ene nyansani kwasea asunyini Job 32:9 enye nam kan Bible ne kai eye Job ene tan se twere or after say or study nipa tuna se bo bra nipa nante ye no hu bo nipa no se da bi Penyah sa tete focus no ka se edwene akire nyansa da bi nya sa ete da bi kwasea sunyini be fudwene kwasea nyini e be fudwene nyansani nyini be fudwene sa na sebe kwasea sunyini be fudwene onum say yenka bi shemu Sunday no ana Ghana celebrate 1 year anniversary after say to abana mahama ewene ye ho no ana obodade Akyem Asuom former kronti hene go na matete si ya hwan ne to akonya ono anga se na aye no katashi edi ade but matete si ya give student long time ago but ono anga sa ene de ni abon hosafo hene eti afa akonya bi eti so ewo ni fie ne gato ene se odi na hene ewo ho no mo ono obay can say me for MPP flagbearers no.
Look, the MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahen, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas compared to those. I call them the sankwas 5. If President Mahama should decide to contest, this is how the scale will be. All the sankwas 5, Dr. Bawumia, Honorable Kennedy Japan, Dr. Brian Champong, Edichum, Honorable Kwame Tanko, all 5 of them should not even go and choose one. It should be all 5 of them on one ballot paper against President Mahama. And this is how the scale will be. All of them there, and then Mahama here.
Just say, all lebu women as sankwas. In case you don't know what sankwas means useless entity. Obi a yeso peja ni mu hwe ni mu a emu to hwe ni. All lebu women as useless entities. Emma anya no kwa Bawumia ayere of a former second lady Samira Bawumia Olebun as slave queen. You know, minim the entire nipa be there be as a man for attack Bawumia ayere minim the entire. When Mahama was contesting for 2024, now we think and say we can say, oh, Mahama is so handsome, he's so handsome, he's so handsome, he's so handsome because of his handsomeness. Metro Mano, Mama is so handsome. Imagine representing Ghana. Mahama is so handsome. Now me 13 same way. And then among for that same energy, and can say, Samira is so beautiful. Imagine having her as a first lady representing Ghana in international organization. Imagine, just feel the vibe. Imagine having Samira Bawumia as your first lady representing Ghana in international delegations. Imagine. But a bedroom Samira Nkwanso there. Ye born a same way as Samentiase. But Mahama is very handsome. But Samira there. yes na ana wo ye makeup artist ana wo ye den enkwase akeka saa nipa ben enne obepi oba ben ene bepi abontene a odi nanim raw ene bepi mo amunika prekura no mo pia mo ye makeups na ho samira mo amuni 1000 kura mo pia mo twitwi pons address ye monim yi na the whole samira obi ye makeups uhu na asekwakuo ne mom esi nanim ode ba ode makeups emfataw obi hu ofe mo se ana we makeup artist ana o se ana de bia za paint edward body ne mo nkyere mi ni baba akopa a owo Ghana ha opia onkopa o ana opia onye makeups oba mo nkyere mi one female politician ana se MP a Ghana parliament onye makeups mo nkyere ba nipa ne ho ofe mo nyintu mo nka ade afa mo nkanfo na mo nya ni bra ni jimi no e ma na yi de na sem ko sem na eso ko kana adwe e kire no na sadwe no ana journalist just there bi se panyin kasa se ya enkora so nkasa se se panyin eni se nyansa o le tirim obeka nyansa sem be tufu obeka nyansa sem ama nkora sunya bia kasa nyansa mu se panyin kasa se tibo nkoso se ya enkora nkasa se
menye sure se obi a odi hene eye this year so called will be that reckless is the reason why it's here because I've seen other people also posting say in fact he's a fraudster were frauded
Allegedly.
yes allegedly he's a fraudster we boom crofo in fact and crofo so alleged cry say or ye CPP ni in fact or contested as CPP PC ewo kede constituency later eno yes we free CPP mu eko NDC or try cross or be contested PC elections in the NDC you see or quite said your fast so kasa eno sefa even say we show video na say what video na ne said ye na nimu ne said your da ne ho ye ne ho video no I don't think say any credible person would behave the way he behaved.
So if you don't think that he's credible?
No, I'm not. I mean, you're sure say what ye assume Akyem Asuom contain. I doubt. So ye contain wo Akyem Asuom. Ena obebu nipa ni mutiasa no. Kajo sebi. Enye politics pa na ye ya. Nsefa dankwa. Abrantie ya osi wo yo hene okasa yi. Den pa no wo. Chen enipa numu obo omudin. There's a second video. Obu owura Kennedy Japan enumuti akura. Kan sembasa e de fa ne ho. Sifa sebi senye politics a. Sa ba mu a watotototo ne ma hyehye ne ho te ho se oye kunti hene. Kan san nsem hunu no e fa se nipa numu ho. Dem pa no wo. Senye amanyosam ne ye na social media na aba. Eno wo data kakra ena bi a wanya iPhone bi o se Samsung phone bi. Ena wanya obi e de asi ni so ena wo twa no. E kan san nsem hunu ya. Ebia ohie nipa numu obubo omuden kro ohie omu se mu gina ho a yesi nipa nim ti se ko twamanse ya won hwe ohie omu a ontimi hwomo anim po nka entimi musa omu se mepache wo etesen kra na so because of the benefit of social media wakotana ba bia se oye hene ka ensem hunu men to sebe won de mekan hu kansem hunu egbu enipa animtia enipa num na obo mu de ni sefa uji amanyosem eto nchen a obi abone bra obia bone bra
Oma bobra.
and the oma ye so ya man yonsem to nchen a the oma ye no is out there for everybody. It's out there. Wana Kwabena J Japan.
Abobra.
Former presidential spokesperson.
Yeah, abobra.
Engineer.
Yeah.
Mapa.
Yeah. Abobra.
Yanhwe yi a o man ye say ye nyai sansem huni. Amanyon sem ensem hunu a yedi a. Mesi kroi yanhwe yi a makasa asem wi wa da mmiri bi beba ye penkrofo abe je oman adwuma ya ye nya bi okuru ha. And it's because of sansem hunu any
eventually no obi aba politics so say na be ya mbeti ne house mama no because on kwaye regular job na ketia no 3,000 4,000 5,000 or per the ebema no 20 30 80 15 echo and it looks like say baby albenya no say ube enter into politics.
No, but fact is say the fact say oni nipa no enya dwen no enchire say ubetimi egu ne ho fi saa keke.
Of course you may disagree with somebody.
See, without provocation.
Of course.
Exactly.
Of course.
Dear abrantie na mohu wo no wo video mu ene ni nsem hunu a o keka no enipa numu no obia kan asem ebia say nipa numu obia mpo nimu ne da obia nhia ne da.
Yeah.
But when you social media into the social media no ebegu say nipa yi ehu fi and ubenya bi mu a amanyo semunti ebe so to adi na chi because oguni opponent hu fi.
Na any opponent.
But remember say yes yan kan ni wachi a o si agro
no de de
papa ode nso enti ene die ebia eye Dr. Brian Champon sifa ebia nei eye Dr. Brian Champon ebia nei eye Dr. Oseya Waduchum ebia nei eye
doctor
eye Owura Kennedy Japan enti ubetimi abuomani mutie aguom ho fi but ebia ochena na eyewo anase eyewo nua bi me dia menyi ni se oye ohene menyi ni se obeben akonya bi ada oye hene a ohene sei
ohene asem ba kromu a amanfo nyina baba wo se wo na obeso wo problem ekura a wutim enye NDC fo nko a nete ho ekura a wutim enye MPP fo nko a ne wo ho ekura a wutim enye CPP fo nko a ne wo ho na ohempo mu a kronti hiri a woda nipa dom ano na wutumi bebie wano edidi opanimu atisa a whole former vice president of the Republic of Ghana, a whole honorable member of parliament for over 20 years, Honorable Kennedy Japan, a whole former minister, education, any empenifu akakika ho, Dr. Brian Champon, minister, former. Na Honorable Kwame Japan mu nyina ka ho empenifu akuku dam sesei. Na ohiri mua, wabegyina montene. Ka bie wano, ka sei editia won. Na nti se wo manfo a wodi omo so wo sa kuro ni mu no enti se anya bia se omunya asem a ana se asem bi ba na fa amanyosem ho na omu ka se bo ohene asem a abai political issue na momu no esansa wo ye pani di animu nti ye na solve asem we man ya mebra wo pa na wo de papa yi kasati ayi a anka banya gidie wo the outcome whatever the chief will say enti e besra ya hemfo no so mu mpase e benya ebimu kaseti a na American I stress that ebinom ti say the papa ya wakoma na no atra de sesa nko kan yi no wonfa chew pa kase papa na wonfa mra ye mpanifo yi enya sa ye nuanum bi de we can't hold their thought, we can't tell them what to say, but there are some who may not take it lightly as I have taken it now. Some will go beyond even what he described our leaders, our respected leaders. And so we are pleading with him for now that he should come back, apologize to this dignitaries, apologize to this our respected leaders. Then we say asem adinasem ko okano wa na emum wa anya den wonu ho wanka ne yie anunti no fa chewpa kese emre yempanifo yi anya saa ebia na yakọ beyond what he did.
Okay, so apologies.
BBS emia. Now, I don't know why people we revere, people we respect, offices that we hold high esteem, will lower the bar and do certain things. Sir, when you do that, opportunity no man nipa binum so comes after you.
They can punch you if you open the window and the doors.
Akyem Asuom Chief.
Okay.
Nana body amponim obodade the third. Or the assembly to John Franco. In as much as assembly any opinion of which he is entitled to. Nobody can begrudge Nana on that. But maybe this say the way a manner it was couched was a bit problematic. Yentie na nana nsemwa or the two ija. Maybe sia.
I tell you today, I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just Sankwas. Compared, I call them the Sankwas 5. If President Mahama should decide to contest, this is how the scale will be. All the Sankwas 5, Dr. Baumia, Honorable Kennedy Japan, Dr. Brian Champong, Educhum, Honorable Kwame, all 5 of them should not even go and choose one. It should be all 5 of them on one ballot paper against President Mahama. And this is how the scale will be. All of them there, and then Mahama here. You see, let me one by one so it makes more sense.
Nana Bwadi amponim obodade the third.
Yes.
I respected Akyem Asuom Chief. Nana, your opinion is your opinion. But you see, when you describe Nipanum, well educated, they have done good and field as Sankwas.
This go and check their CV.
Now, first time, Nipanum no say Sankwas.
Hey,
Nana, Sabi, Udi Domenim.
yes.
Udi Domenim pa. Me. What's a man who can't no? Aya wa. Aya dia upe.
Yes.
Dia wa hu and our person can. But the word Sankwas.
Yes.
And try ye. We are so be the Pandora's box.
Thank you.
Oh, money pabinum akwenya to also come after you.
Yeah.
Nana, I think if people use filthy words against you,
You'll not be happy.
you will not be happy.
You'll not be happy at all.
Because you are a father,
Yes.
you are a husband,
A breadwinner of your family.
you are a chief,
Yes.
you lead people.
Yeah, you lead a certain kind of
Sanko
people.
for ya, what from when you are Sankwasi?
Yes.
They are husbands,
Yes.
they are family members.
Thank you.
I mean, they have done well for themselves,
Ah.
they have businesses, They have gone to school.
Yeah.
They have done all that.
Yes.
You can easily put it that you don't think any of them can be president.
Nice one.
And that's not a problem. But to go back and call these people Sankwas, Nana, if certain young people descend on you, I'm not sure you'll be happy.
You can't even hold the fire.
Nana say, in as much as watch the HD phone.
Yes.
Yeah, almost mono.
Yes.
Almost watch the phone.
Thank you.
Me say, tell people when you even go back,
yes,
the other year Kennedy Japan crowd it was dirty.
Really?
Yes. The other year Kennedy or in Japan crowd it was more dirty. I don't hold any grudges.
Hey,
but they me a hammer any those words. And in the position, ni dibia. Yes. There are certain people who hold them high in esteem.
Yes.
There are certain people who respect them and respect their offices. So when you begin to churn out, forgive me, this kind of
I unquoted statement.
I mean,
you see, sometimes
over the weekend, I said, who are the advisors of this?
Thank you.
Who are his advisors?
Thank you.
And now you saw him in one.
That's offer. Maybe. Offer maybe he has not
Sankwas.
Offer
Somebody's husband.
Yes.
Sankwas. Somebody's father. Sankwas. Somebody who feeds people. You call him that person Sankwas. Maybe. Now I don't know you. But maybe. Maybe a brass any pen maybe.
Yes. Offer. Listen.
So the word mami, comment section. How you Penyah Block Media.